Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Blade 20 Max, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, before I get started, I do want to quickly mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. Now, I do also want to add a little bit of additional info on top of that, is when doing this kind of reset, if your device has a Google account signed in before you reset the device, so right now, your device will become FRP locked. And what that means is when the reset is finished and you're going through the setup process, you will be forced by the device to confirm either the screen lock that was previously used or the Google account credentials. And if you can't do either one of those, you won't be able to finish up the setup of the device. So you will be essentially stuck in the setup process. Now, you sometimes might find some kind of GSM centers, stores that do offer services to remove this kind of protection from a device. And previously, I actually was showing how you can do this, but there is no free methods as far as I know anymore on the newer Android, so I don't show those anymore. But there still might be some kind of ways to get rid of it, but that being said, I'm not 100% certain, so take that with a grain of salt before you do this if you don't know either way to unlock the device. So anyway, to get started, I am going to lock this phone, and you can see I do have a pattern set, so I'll be progressing from here as though I don't know it. Now, I don't have Google account signed in, so it won't become locked like I mentioned before. So first thing, we're going to press volume up and power button at the same time, like so. And from the options, you want to select power off. The device will turn off, and when it does, you want to hold power button and volume up again. And let go of the power button when you feel the vibration of the device. Now, when you see this mode right here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode. So just make sure that the arrow, as you can see, jumps all the way to the top. And when it does, press volume down. So next thing you will see is this Android with no command. And when you do, you will need to hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This will redirect you to the recovery mode. Now in here, again, using volume buttons, now volume down will navigate down while volume up will go up. You want to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. When it's selected, you're going to confirm it using your power button, and then select Factory Data Reset. Confirm that. It's going to tell you that it's formatting data, and then shortly after, data wipe complete, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So again, we're just going to press power button. This will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this will take probably 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.